I'm on the old Saratoga Schuylerville Railroad. I'm right off Burgoyne Road, walking along Fish Creek. I was hoping to ride this, but it's kind of wet and there's a lot of sticks and stuff sticking out that might mess up my derailleur, so I decided to hike a bit. Nature is taking its course. The embankment's still here. It's a pretty marshy area. I'm not going to bother anymore. I do a sweep backwards. That's looking southward. Here's going back westward. Truth is, this goes through somebody's backyard too, so I don't recommend this for anybody. Still, it's kind of cool out in the woods. Known this was an old railroad at one point. It's like some old remnants of the railroad or part of this old house, long abandoned. It's out of one of the rooms. East to the car, sorry, back west to the car. But you gotta admit, riding along here in a train in its heyday must have been awfully nice. Fish is right here. Very picturesque. Finishing up back at the car, thought I'd give you a little pan of the bridge. In a small space where cars are, this looks like a road biker parked earlier. I'll head over to Luther Forest now to do some real mountain bike riding.